Imagine an airport built on an artificial island. That's exactly the case for Japan's Kansai International Airport, which is both a symbol of Japan's technological prowess and a focal point of controversy due to its unique challenges. With sinking issues and financial woes, we're left wondering, is this airport safe? Also, why is it sinking? Stick around to find out. But before we get into it, do give us a like and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. If you're done with that, then let's get started. Kansai International Airport, though prodigious, rose from the sea with significant challenges. The idea for a new airport dates back to the late 1960s to support the region's economic development. Initially, authorities considered expanding the existing airport at Itami, in operation since 1939, and already extended once in the 1950s, but it appeared to be reaching full capacity. Moreover, the airport faced a major problem. It was caught up by urbanization, finding itself in a densely populated urban environment. Expanding it would mean expropriating many people and increasing nuisances in the surrounding area. This possibility was ruled out. Many other options were considered to find a location that would cause the least disturbance to the population while still being able to operate 24/7. None seemed suitable until an innovative project arose: building an airport on the waters of Osaka Bay. This surprising choice is typical of Japanese urban planning, where the land is limited, leading to the construction of numerous artificial islands to relieve urban congestion. The idea gained traction, and a site was chosen southwest of Osaka, some 30 kilometers from the city center, opposite three towns in Osaka Prefecture: Izumisano, Tajiri, and Sennan. Officially, the airport extends over these three municipalities, each receiving a part of the artificial island in its district. The environmental impact of such a project is debatable, but the project cost billions of dollars. Construction began in 1987, aiming to build an artificial island 4 kilometers long. The first stage involved draining the site, completed in 1989 with a dike made of several thousand tetrapods, concrete blocks designed to keep the structure dry. The next step was to fill the gaping hole in Osaka Bay. 80 ships took turns bringing in tens of millions of cubic meters of material needed to build the embankment, sourced directly from 3 nearby mountains. Almost 10,000 workers filled this giant hole over 30 meters deep. In 1991, the 3.7-kilometer-long Skygate Bridge linking the island to the coast was inaugurated. It comprises 2 levels, 6 lanes of motorway traffic upstairs and a railway line downstairs. It is one of the world's longest truss bridges, costing nearly $1 billion to build. A problem soon arose. The island was sinking dangerously between 8 and 10 meters. The weight of the construction materials compressed the seabed more than anticipated. To address this, over 1 million adjustable piles were installed to support the terminal and runways, combined with a powerful system of hydraulic jacks and sensors to detect and adjust the pile's movements, maintaining the platform's balance. This system resists earthquakes and significantly slows the subsidence of the artificial island, which experts continue to monitor closely. In 1994, the terminal designed by renowned architect Renzo Piano, who also designed the Centre Pompidou in Paris with Richard Rogers, went into service. The undulating building's design facilitates air ventilation inside this enormous structure, so large that a monorail was installed for users to move from one end to the other. At 1.7 kilometers long, the terminal ranks as one of the world's longest buildings. Despite its impressive engineering, the project has faced financial challenges. It cost over $20 billion, a third more than the planned budget, with the majority covered by the Japanese government. To compensate for the staggering costs, entrance fees to use the airport were revised upwards, making the landing tax at Kansai Airport one of the most expensive in the world. Initial flight forecasts were revised downward, with 328 flights per week instead of the double number originally planned. Natural disasters have also impacted the airport. In 1995, a terrible earthquake shook Japan, killing several thousand people, but Kansai Airport, less than 20 kilometers from the epicenter, suffered no damage thanks to its seismic resistance system. In 1998, a typhoon with winds over 200 kilometers per hour also caused no material damage. However, the airport was not always so fortunate. In 2018, Typhoon Jebi, a tropical cyclone of rare intensity, caused extensive material damage and stranded several thousand people at the airport. The structure was flooded and an out-of-control oil tanker crashed into the bridge linking the airport to the mainland, causing the bridge to close. To address these problems, over $340 million was spent on renovations, including raising protective walls, placing 40,000 new tetrapods around the islands, and securing electrical installations. Solar panels are planned to provide part of the infrastructure's energy consumption. A second phase of renovation is underway to modernize the airport, increasing passenger capacity and making it a showcase of refinement. This is particularly relevant for the next World Expo in 2025, where the airport will be the main gateway for tourists. $500 million has been spent to rethink the airport's operation and interior appearance, with renovations including noble materials like marble, and the opening of luxury stores such as Louis Vuitton and the world's first airport Dior Cafe. Amidst the sinking and financial challenges, safety remains a paramount concern. Engineers and airport authorities have implemented various measures to ensure passenger and aircraft safety. The airport structures are designed to withstand significant subsidence, and continuous monitoring allows for timely interventions. Additionally, advanced technology and rigorous maintenance protocols help mitigate risks. However, the unpredictability of natural forces, including potential earthquakes and typhoons, adds layers of complexity to the safety equation. The airport's resilience in the face of such events is crucial to its operational integrity. As Kansai International Airport navigates its challenges, its future hangs in a delicate balance. Ongoing efforts to stabilize the island and manage financial obligations are critical. The airport's success or failure will offer valuable lessons for future megaprojects, particularly those involving ambitious engineering in challenging environments. Kansai International Airport is a marvel of modern engineering that embodies both the triumphs and tribulations of human innovation. Its creation was a bold response to pressing needs, and its continued operation amidst significant challenges showcases resilience and adaptability. As the world watches, the airport's journey offers a compelling narrative of ambition, adversity, and the relentless pursuit of progress. The question of its ultimate safety and sustainability remains open, but one thing is certain: Kansai International Airport stands as a remarkable testament to what can be achieved when vision and technology converge. So, what are your thoughts about the Kansai Airport? Do you think it's safe? Let us know in the comment section below. If you liked today's content, do give us a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.